This is 60 feet road, Subhaga entrance gate. The only development for phase 1. Phase 2 already started developments. This is arch, 60 feet road arch, main entrance. That is 40 feet road sub entrance. This is entrance 40 feet road, CC road, direct to Mumbai highway. This is entrance arch. Lavish entrance arch, developments, J Group. Project name is Subhaga. This is 1 by 1 extension, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Going for phase 5, present running in phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5 is running. This is total 60 feet road. After start the gravel road this is starting the phase 2 development. Start the phase 2 development. Phase 2 developments. Continue 60 feet road going on total layout. This is present phase 2 developments running. This is phase 2 developments. This is lavish park within Central Park. Park name is Central Park. Total gravel is coming. The total phase 2 running developments. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. This type of footpath is going on. Present start the CC gravels and after start the 1 by 1 tiles in footpath. This is phase 3 and phase 4. Phase 1 totally completed all developments, and phase 2, phase 3, phase 4 present running developments, and phase 5 recently launching in. Start the project. Sub road in 40 feet road in second entrance gate. It is the 60 feet road main entrance, and this is 40 feet road and second gate. Total developments running. Present plot number 81 is available in phase 1. Phase 1 41 is available. This plot is available in phase 1. Phase 1. This is opposite Central Park. This is development going on Central Fast and Footpath, and each and everyone one by one developments.